Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Oh gosh.
Order filled.
It has been a while since I've been live, but that's for a few reasons. So, 2 weeks ago, I had a horrible cold where I couldn't talk at all, and I had student sessions, and I lost my voice, and I knew I was going on vacation, so I wanted to prioritize obviously my health and rest and get better, so I did. And then last week, I was on vacation with my family. Let me post this in the group. Look at how that one actually would have been really nice. I wonder if I should increase that. Anyway, let me post this here. Okay, so hey, here you go. So I was sick 2 weeks ago, like really bad. I couldn't talk. I felt like crap. And then I was on vacation all last week, and so I wanted to get better, and so I did. Enjoyed vacation, and now I'm back. I literally got back yesterday, like 3 p.m., so I still feel kind of overwhelmed, but it will be fine. Oil is already 2 for 2 on the day, $700 on oil. I have another oil setup that I'm testing that's green, 110. Lots of big moves on Friday. The algos did great while I was away also. Let me look. So last week, well, oil had a crappy week. So range, NQ range was 100% for $1,000. ES range was red, $374. And then oil was red, $1,400. So this $700 today helps that out a lot. NQ Pink was green every day last week too. That was on Scalper. NQ Pink has been green, I think, every day this month. Or at least on a weekly basis. Like, so this past week it was green 1380. The week before was 3000, like 2920. The week before that it was red, $25. Okay, so well, that was the last week of March. So yeah, so all of April, Pink has been 100% green. 100% every day. Green, green, green. Because it was 1, 2, yeah, it's only been 2 weeks of April so far. So $3,000. No, 4,000? Hold on, what did I say? 29? $4,000. Yeah, so 2,900 the first week, and then $1,000 last week. Actually, 1,400 last week, so like 4,400. That's really good. I was, being out of town, I didn't run any of the scalpers. I know people in the group did, so they did well. But I wanted to do something that I really didn't even care about. I didn't have to worry about. This is a nice move here. We talked about this on the student call this morning. What time is it? 9:28. I got to get. I was going to post this. I need to get on TikTok. Oh, I didn't change this. Workspace, save. Okay, let me get on TikTok. If you guys appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up. There's 30 of you on. There's only 7 likes. I really appreciate it if you can do that. I'm going to get on TikTok now. Family pairing, a safety tool for families with teens. Not interested. I don't have teens. Okay. I'm getting my TikTok set up. wonder if Jen is around. All right. Here we go. Market's open. Nice drop here. This is exactly, we're green 225 on. I wonder if I should highlight that. I don't know which one I have on here. But I have Santa off to the right, even though I don't actually have it on the Santa picture.
Order filled.
Awesome. Thank you, Jen. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are back from vacation. We're back from being sick as crap. Is this short still happening? Yeah. The short's still happening on the break. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day. I haven't been live the past few weeks because I've been sick and on vacation. I kind of feel dizzy, like I'm still on a ship, even though I'm not. Oil overnight was 2 for 2 for $700. Currently in a short on break of NQ. I have Santa off here to the side. So we'll see. Santa doesn't trade for a few more minutes. So we'll see what happens when Santa takes over. If you guys have any question, Santa's doing well. Pink is what we really need to focus on. Pink has made $4,400 in the last 2 weeks. Every day in April, it's been green. It made $1,400 last week when I was on vacation, and it made $2,900 the first week of April when I was really sick. Yep. So I need to actually change this picture to... Oh, also, you guys, Apex is doing a 90% sale. It's only until the 20th, which is Thursday. Like, that's huge. I've only ever seen them do 80%, so I don't know if they ever really do 90%, but they're doing 90% right now, and it's until Thursday. So use code SAVE90, and you can get, let me pin that, Jen, and you can get a, like, $50,000 account, probably for, like, I don't know, what? It's normally $16? $16? $17? Oh, it's 10% of 30. Yeah, like literally $18, $17, you can get a $50,000 account. Like, I need to get some. For sure. So we're still in this short, $175. I'm going to move it over. I'm trying to change the Santa picture to the Santa actual image, which it is now. So I didn't run Santa or Pink or YM Santa last week because I was on vacation, but I'm back now, and I want to show you guys break. This shit made like crazy money last week. Oh, is that what it is, Detroit? But see, but you don't have to pay for every month after that. So that's the thing, that the algorithm, or if you're trading in my group, you'll pass within like probably 5 or 10 days. So I wouldn't even worry about the following months. And even if it is like, so the following month, if you had to pay another month, it would be $36. Please tap that screen if you appreciate the stream and the information. Gonna go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. I need to get... This one I think I'm going to have to redo. We'll see. Yeah, so as long as you pass it within a month, then that wouldn't matter, because then you don't pay any more monthly after that. Thank you, Jen, for sharing the live stream. It's only 9:34, so the market just opened. We'll see what happens. We dipped it down here to 45. This kind of where I was thinking about taking, and now we pulled all the way back up. Look at these wicks this morning. Crazy. Back up to the chop zone. Again, this is a proprietary zone that my members get every morning. And then this yellow line in the middle is another proprietary line or level that I give my members each day. I want to change this to, one second. I'm going to change it to zones, I think. Yeah, no, 2 break. I wonder, do I have like the small one on there? See all the things I have at the bottom. I have so many setups. All right, cool. So the original's in this long now. I think it took, I guess I broke it on even on the short. Because the short was green a few hundred too. So we'll see what happens here. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm literally just getting back in the groove of everything. So today might be a little off, and then the next few days will be spot on. Also, I'm probably going to live stream.
Order submitted.
Tom, you can find that in Slack. Thanks for the likes, Duck Sauce. You can find that in Slack. It's posted every night by 6 p.m. So I post a new daily thread every day in the chat. Is this green 500 on this long? Every day in chat, I post that by 5 or 6 p.m. in the evening. And then, yes, John, I have Scalper off to the side, but it's not in any trades. I have Santa. But Santa, Pink has been performing better than Santa. Pink made $4,400 the last 2 weeks. Hey, unpredictable. No, Monica, you have to start with at least 2,000 to 3,000, or you can use Apex. Apex is currently doing a 90% discount until Thursday. And so you could get like a $50,000 evaluation account for like $17. Gold is in a short, green $70 on zones. Green 650 on this long. You see the trail moving itself up? Do you see this like peach color line? And that will just continue moving up as the trade moves up. Very similar to the trail on Scalper. Thanks, Campbell. I'm glad I'm back too. I'm glad I'm not sick anymore. The site for Apex is apextraderfunding.com. APEX Trader Funding. This is it right here. apextraderfunding.com. What do you mean my ES futures thoughts? I trade ES. It is not trading right now, but it probably will be soon. We're in this $750 long. This is on break. Yep, sure thing. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up on YouTube. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. So if you're new, please follow, and then you'll get a notification when I go live. Also, if you put that little bell on YouTube, then you'll get a notification also when I go live. Gold on the short is green, $120. Still not in any trades on Santa. So we'll see about that. Hi, Andres. How are you? I still feel a little dizzy. Really, I'm currently trading. I don't know what that means. You're currently trading what? Yeah, I would say so. That is a very appropriate goal. $50 to $100 a day is easily doable with a smaller account.
Order filled.
All right, so it took profit there on the long. We'll see if it's going to curl down here and if Santa takes a short. Gold is in a short. Gold is in this short. Green, $110. Target is 200, so we'll see if it can get there. we'll see if NQ gets in a short here. All right. If you guys have questions, please put them in chat. I would love to answer them. If you're new here, I'm Lauren. I trade futures, mainly NQ, ES, gold, and oil, and then a few others each and every day. Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. Yeah, oil was 2 for 2 for $700. FedEx, man. I don't know why you still haven't joined. You know, Apex is doing a 90% sale. Santa is one of my strategies, John. If you're in the group, then you are aware of what Santa is. Apex is doing a 90% sale. Like, y'all, you could run the algorithm with all of these strategies on a $17 account. $17 cost for a $50,000 account. Break is in the short. Gold is still in the short. This is the one that just had the like $700 run. We'll see what it does here. This is what I was also saying, that maybe Santa might take the short, but it hasn't. Thanks, Jen. I wish I could pin multiple things, and I wish it would just stay at the top. I don't know why it doesn't. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up. The short is now green, $140. We rolled out zones. Yeah, hustle, you really do. I rolled out zones this weekend, so all of my members now have access to a new algo called Bold Zones. So they have Bold Range, Bold Zones, and Scalper. Exciting stuff. And I have another one that's coming out in May. But $200 on the short. This is the one that just had a $700 long. And now it's in a $375 short. Do you see this? Do you see how beautiful it is? It's so nice. And again, you could have this on your Apex account, and then you have to make, what, $3,000 to pass the $50,000 account? You would already be at $1,000 for the day. Hey, Miguel. What's up? Gold is still in the short too. Green $100. $450 on this short of break. And you can see the trail is moving down. So this was the entry all the way up here at 95. The trail is now already down here at 79. So guaranteed green and guaranteed green 15 points, which is $300. And now you see how it's continuing down? All done for me. So I could still be sleeping. I could be at the gym. I could be grocery shopping, whatever. This is all hands-free, 100% hands-free. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com.
Target bill.
Target hit on, was that gold? No, it's almost, gold's almost at target though. Gold is only 3 ticks away from target. 2 ticks. I wonder what hit target. All right, so this was just in a $700 long. Now we're in a $600 short. That's beautiful. Gold is so close to hitting target. Oh, I know what hit target. It was the other. So, Tom, you need to check the chat every night by 6 p.m. There's also like a reminder that I posted of things. Oh, Carter, hey. We're in this $600 short, and it just had a $700 long. All right, so it took profit there. It pulled back and hit the trail. Gold is still in that short. Gold was green $180. Now it's back down to 100. Yeah. Just tap the screen, FedEx man. Listen, I know there's like a bunch of people that just get on the stream and they don't actually join the group, which is fine. But then just show your love by giving a thumbs up or tapping or sharing the live. And that is awesome as well. I'm going to tag you. Nice job, Amber. Oh, do you see how that trail got hit and it's still going? Thanks for the rose. I was going to tag, Tom, I'm tagging you in. Okay, cool. Should we or do we have to? You don't have to take the mentorship. No. If you feel comfortable, you definitely don't have to. Green $150 on $160 on the gold short. This is the one that was 180. Now it's 180 again. Two more, 190. It's one tick away from 200. Isn't target 200 on this? Well, it got to 200. I thought maybe, I really thought target was 200. Oh, it is. Okay. Target got hit. Yeah. Look at this drop. I'm surprised Santa didn't get this, but this was the one that I said that Santa might get, and it didn't. Oh, we're in another short here.
Target filled.
Yeah, so you don't have to take the mentorship, but people find that it's super helpful and just really money well spent because. Thanks, Daniel. Love you so much. There's 33. Can we get some more thumbs up and some more likes? Tap, 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 tap. Green, $150 on this short. 180. And again, the trail has already I think it's already activated. I'm pretty sure it has. If not, it will too. No, Spencer. I don't have it up. But again, this is why if you're part of the group, you can have NQ Pink on your chart. And if you do, then you can ask someone in the group. But yeah. NQ Pink made $4,400 in the last 2 weeks. It's the best one. Spencer, are you in the group? Because I have a Spencer in the group, but I don't know if it's you. I have Santa off to the side, but I don't have Pink. If you want like a picture of it and you're in the group, you can ask Irma and she can post one. Wasn't it in a long? Also, I think Lar was posting about it in chat. Thanks for the likes, Panda Man. All right, so this one might get stopped out. We'll see. All right, so this one got stopped for like $200, which is not bad at all after it had a $700 run and then a $600 run. So, yeah. Okay, cool. Well, I like the short. We talked about this in the student session. So again, I have a live student call every morning just for my students. And we break down NQ, we break down what I want to see, and that helps with the algorithm because if you're using the algorithm, but you're also a student, you have like extra knowledge. I feel super dizzy. I need to take like some Dramamine or something. I feel like I'm still floating. If you're on a boat for like several days, then you get off and you're like, wow, the world is moving. All right, now it's in this long. We'll see what happens. It's only 950. Again, NQ range was 100% last week. I think it's been like 15 for 15, something like that. I already tagged you. If you look at the top, Tom, where it says threads, click on that. Yeah. Again, so at the open, and with these, they're 100% hands-free, but if you wanted to just turn it off at any point, you could and just take profit. Like, oil's already done for the day. It's 2 for 2 for 700. But like on this, when it took a $700 long and then had like a $700 short, you could have exited the trade and then just been done for the day. Like, you have that ability. Then it took, this long is now 200. Then it took a short that had a loss for 200, and now it's in this long. Tom, if you have questions about the setup and like what we're running, please reach out to Irma, because she is going to be your main point of contact. And she can help you. Yep, FedEx man, just keep tapping it. Just go like tap, 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 tap. 300 on this long. This got green before Santa. Like, Santa just got green at 951. Oh, nice. Poops is in the chat. I have the deck being started today. Remember the deck we've been talking about? Oh my gosh. That's being started today. Like, there's so many moving things. Also, I won't be live next week. I'm going to be out of town. Also, crypto, I have 2 very amazing admins. Even if I'm out of town, like I was out of town last week, I was out of the country, and I was still constantly in touch with the group on my phone. Like, there's no actual, like, me being away. Now, if I'm not on a live stream, that's one thing, because, you know, I wasn't doing the live stream. But outside of that, if you're in my group, I am always dialed in. I work every night. I work every day. Like, I don't take days off. I am always around. So, yeah. But I'm excited to have you and your business partner. Make sure if you have 2 separate computers or machine IDs or whatever, you're going to have 2 subscriptions. If you're just doing one off of like a business account, then it would just be 1 subscription. But yeah, I am around all week. And then next week, I'll be in the United States. I will just be at a event. Still dialed in, though. I just won't be doing live streams next week. But yeah. Oh, Santa's in a short. I'm going to bring that in the front so you guys can see that. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, that was my, it hit target. Sorry. Here. Santa is in this short for $115 currently. Oh, Santa just hit the offset for $75. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate it. And the thumbs up. You guys are great. So today's Monday. I have a student session tomorrow, a student session on Thursday. The deck is starting today. There's so many things. I know that just honestly, the Slack group information and support is amazing. So Panda Man is in TikTok, and he just said, I'm new to the bot, just joined last week, and the Slack group's information and support is amazing. Thank you, Panda Man. I agree. I'm really big on customer support and like customer service. I don't know, that's always been my background, and my admins feel the same way. Nice job, Brian. Brian is done for the day. So again, when we go back to talking about Apex accounts, this is what it looks like. So you can purchase up to 20 Apex accounts. 20. And right now they're 90% off. So you could get 10 accounts for, they're $17 each, which is crazy. So you can see Brian here, he has a live account, and then he has 5 Apex accounts. 5 Apex accounts, and he made $1,300 in each of them. So when he can withdraw twice a month, he can take out money from each of those accounts. Like, that's what most of my members do. So Eric here, he has multiple accounts. Jay, Darren has a bunch of Apex accounts. Kenny made $55,000 on Friday, and he made $120 on the week. He's one of my students. I trained him back in 2020. Amber, Michael, look at all the accounts Michael has. Kyle has multiple Apex accounts. So Sheldon had mentioned that since he's taken the mentorship, he has just kind of really gotten into a groove and surpassed like everything. It's crazy. All right. Where are we at? Yeah, exactly. The 90% off is amazing. And most of my clients, like most of the members that get Apex, they pass the accounts within a week or less. Like I typically pass a $50,000 account in 2 or 3 days. And then you still have to quote unquote trade for 7 days total. So then I just take one micro trade for the rest of those remaining days. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did we see that drop? Are we not in any shorts here? Santa's in a long. Not sure I like this. Well, let's watch it play out. Thanks, Jen. Yeah, if you are new here and you have any questions, you can always email me. My admin will respond, or I will respond. Yeah, so the drawdown in Apex, it depends on which account you have. Like the $50,000 account, it's $2,500. You can't lose $2,500, and you also can't be up like a bunch and then not lock it up. What they want you to do during your evaluation is essentially be a very tight trader, where if you're green $200, you kind of lock up that $200. Or if you have a trade that's green $1,000, you should have a trail stop like right behind it. Because you don't want your $1,000 green trade to go back to $500, because then they're going to also use that $500 that you didn't, like the unrealized $500, as part of your drawdown. Like now, if it's $200, that's not a big deal. Like if you're green 400 and then it pulls back and you hit the trail at $200, that $200 difference is not a big deal at all. Like at all. But it is if it's like 1,000 and then you get out at 200. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna pin that, Jen. Thanks. Before I lost my voice and then went on vacation, there was like 200 people in the live stream. It was really fun. I love when there's a bunch of people in the live stream. Even if I'm answering dumb questions, at least it's something to talk about. Santa's red 125 because it had the one win and then it just had a loss. Well, we don't run Santa on Monday anyway. Let's see, if you're in the group, you know this. Excuse me. Yep, you can also Google it. There's a lot of videos with explanations. Like, It amazes me how many people don't just automatically Google stuff. Like, if I'm ever curious about something, I just Google it, or I go to YouTube and I Google it, and there's videos explaining everything. You know, the information might be a little off, but it's typically pretty accurate. But it amazes me how many people don't use that and just kind of like wonder. Can one bot service multiple accounts? It can if they're all under the same username. So as long as, like with Apex, you can have up to 20 accounts. So if you have 20 accounts, you can use all of them in your one subscription with the Algo. We're in a long here, green, $80 on break. So yes, Shabazz, as long as it's all under the same. Amber said she's running the Boston Marathon this morning, and then she said from my couch. No, there's no PDT rule in futures. There's also no there's no PDT rule. You can trade as much as you want with as little as you want. Like with a futures account, you can open a futures account with like $400. Now, if you're using my algorithm, I always suggest you have at least $2,000 to $3,000. But there's no PDT rule. You also get a benefit on the tax side when trading futures, which is awesome. The markets are really volatile. They're open 23 hours a day. Like, there's so many reasons why I love futures over like options or stocks or what have you. So it is 10:02. We'll see what happens here. Yep, sure thing. Thanks, Jen, for answering that. Jen and Carter are both in the chat. They can help answer any questions. And then again, if you join the group, I have 2 admins that work essentially 24 hours a day. Amy is my admin when you first come on board. She gets all of your stuff set up. She adds you to everything. She kind of covers all the access. And then Irma answers all the questions and makes sure that your platform is set up. She's my onboarding specialist. Awesome. Sounds good, sir. Poops a lot. You got the email. This song might get stopped for $200. We will see.
Order filled.
Santa looks like it's curling back down, but it's not in a short. Y'all.
Order submitted.
Okay. Well, we'll get the short here. Let's drop. Let's drop back down to... This target's fine. Well, let's drop back down to 13,100. How about that? Let's get that. Essentially target in this situation. I am so dizzy. Oh, I'm going to pin that, Jen. Thanks. This is what happens when it's on a day where it takes a while for a move to happen. And then when it does, it just kind of like goes crazy. It's 10:04 on Monday, April 17th. Again, I'm going to be doing a bunch of lives this week because I felt bad that I was sick and I was on vacation last week. So I'm going to be live probably later tonight. So if you're on TikTok, keep an eye out for that. And then I'll be live every other morning this week. So Monday through Friday. I could actually even do a live next Monday, maybe just on TikTok. I have to get OBS on my laptop. So then when I'm away, I can do YouTube as well. But I could definitely do a live next Monday while I'm away because the meetings won't be messed up. But Friday I fly home, so I can't do that. And then I'm going to be super busy Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Carter, I don't know what time tonight. Probably like 8:30, because that's when some of the other markets open. So then a little bit more of a little bit more action. So yeah, maybe 8:30 to like 9:30 tonight. It's always Eastern Standard Time, so yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Peter, I was sick and then I was on vacation with my family. Thanks, Carter. $300 on this short. $400 on this short.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, FedEx man, I'm going to hold you to it. What's your first name? So then I'll actually, when like it comes through, I'll be like, oh, he stuck to his word.
Order filled.
Jason. I like that name. Jason. All right, Jason. I wonder how my other one's doing, because now I'm going to be like...
Order submitted.
Sure thing. I try. All right, so still in this short. See what happens. It's just getting stuck. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or send a thumbs up. Is it sunny today? Yeah, it's finally like spring. I love spring. I don't love allergies, but I love the sun. The sun makes me so happy. I have to run a few errands today. You know, like when you come back from vacation and you have so much to do to just catch up on life? I did 2 loads of laundry last night. I already got all of that put away. I cleaned up the house, you know, just like random stuff. I still have a broken ankle, so people on vacation were like, oh, what did you do? I'm like, it's fine. I have a follow-up with my doctor, not next week because I'm out of town, so the week after that. And then I can stop wearing my boot this weekend. And he was like, walk as you feel comfortable, so we'll see. I know, yeah, Roland, I was sick 2 weeks ago. Like, I had absolutely no voice, and I really wanted to get better because I was on vacation last week. ES is in a short. Where are my purple? ES Zones is in a short. You didn't need screws, right? No. Thankfully, no surgery. Just wearing a boot and healing. So, 2 weeks ago, Roland, I was really sick and I needed to get better because I knew I was going on vacation. And then last week, I was out of the country with my family on a really nice, relaxing vacation. I was able to unplug a little bit.
Order submitted.
So even though I cut my finger, I'm such a hot mess. I cut my finger on like this sign that was on a door that I was holding open. But yeah. So I'm back now. I'm back. Don't worry. The lives will, and I'm going to go live tonight too. I'm going to go live tonight, and then I'll be live every morning this week. I'll be live next Monday morning too, but then I won't be live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because I'm going to be away for a business trip, and I need to take care of a bunch of stuff. I'm going to just be busy every day, and then I fly home on Friday. But then I have no plans for the next few months, so I will be around. April, I already knew April was going to be the craziest month of this entire year because of the trip and then this project I have next week. So I was already aware of this for a while, and I was kind of like stressing out about it. That's probably why I got sick. But I'm back now, and next week, after next week, in May, June, July, nothing happening. So I will be live every day, and we will be here, and we will be running the algorithms 360 on this short. How much do you need to start? So it's not necessarily investing, it's just day trading, but the minimum is 2 to 3K, or you can do Apex. Remember, Apex is a fully funded prop firm, and they are currently doing a 90% sale. So you could get a $50,000 account for $17. I'm definitely going to have to get some. For sure. Choppy morning here, really getting stuck in this area, like this whole area. Where wasn't this the extension I talked about on the student call? My students get all of the insider information. Just kidding. There's no real insider information. I don't want anyone thinking that's like a real thing. Did you get one of those fun looking little scooters? I do have, well, not like the, I have a scooter that, like a knee scooter, like a leg scooter, but it's not that fun because turning it around all the time, and it's much easier to just walk in a boot. Sadly, I thought this would have moved more. My small one's doing good. So I have one that has this large target, and then I have one, thanks for all the likes, that has a small target, and the small one is green 510 on the day. This one is red 200. You see how we were just in that $400 short? You could have taken this and moved it down, but obviously I'm not touching it. Yeah, so yeah. So that's exactly how it works. You get a $50,000 quote unquote cash account. You have to pass an evaluation. The evaluation is really pretty easy. So you apply the account to the algorithm, and the algorithm will trade for you. And as long as you don't hit the drawdown, which is $2,500, then you pass. After you profit 3,000. Also, Santa's in a long, which we typically do on the algo within a few days. You can do it as quick as like 2 or 3 days, but most people probably take like a week. Yeah, no. Yeah, so every night I post what I'm running, And then folks essentially just like copy that.
Order submitted.
But yeah, you turn it on and then you go to bed and it just trades for you. Teddy's pretty choppy. Santa's still in this long. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Apex has the sale. It's only until Thursday. So April 20th,
Order filled.
the sale ends. Guaranteed green here on Santa on NQ.
Order filled.
All right, Santa hit the offset. The market is just stuck. Look at this. It's just so stuck. It took the long at the bottom, Sir Poops a lot, but because of the small stop, it got stopped out. Do you see that here? It took the long here, but it just got stopped before this big run. And then it got in again. Yes, Apex works in Canada. China's GDP, when is that coming out? I don't follow fundamentals, so I don't really know when most like big reports are coming out. But it is good to know. It is something that is important. So, off into the distance. Turns out now you have to be rich to do that. To do what? To do what, Learn? What's now? What? I don't really know what you're talking about. Gold isn't along for 200? Today. Well, what time today? 10:30? Are you on ES or MES? Oh, you're on ES. Thanks, Jen. We're a $190 long on...
Order submitted.
Target filled. Now 760 on the small target one.
Order submitted.
But it was red this morning, so if Santa wouldn't have gotten tagged, number one, if Santa had a bigger stop here, but see, this is where it comes into play where it's like, you can't be results oriented because over time, what we currently have is better than what you would adjust it to here. But it is frustrating because if you didn't get stopped out here, this would have been in this long this whole time from 52 and now it's at 82. That's 30 points. That's $600. But it is what it is.
Order filled.
All right, in this long, this is such a choppier. Thanks, Carter. Waiting for my broker. No answer yet. I cannot wait to trade. So, Roland, yeah, you can do Apex. You don't need a broker in Canada if you just use Apex. Again, the 90% sale ends on Thursday. So, if you guys want to get that, it's save 90. Well, didn't you ask about it last night? Green on this long. Somebody did. I don't know who it was. Well, you must have changed it. Thanks, Jen, for the likes. Guys, if you want more information on the Algo or Apex, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Again, Apex is a prop firm like Lilu or OneUp or One Profit or whatever. And they're having a 90% sale till Thursday. It's 10:20. We'll see what happens coming up here. All right, good. He fixed it. Thanks for the rose.
Target fill.
He said, preach the word of Allah. The Algo is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. Guys, we have to realize that the micro versus the mini, nice job, Daniel, are going to produce different trades because they have different data. Even though they're the same product, one is a micro, one's a mini, they're still different. 270 on this long. Okay, sounds good, Carter. Thanks. Yep, if you want more info, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's 10:23. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. All right. I'm going to wrap this up here in a few minutes. Kind of a tight day. We're green $1,010 on the small targets, which is this one. Look at all these green trades.
Order canceled.
Green. But it was red this morning. This is much better on like a tight, choppy day, but you're never really going to know when that is. So it's taken 31 trades today. Green, $1,010. See, it had a drawdown of 1,300. But the max loss was 200. It said 13 losing trades. 6 were in a row. $1,200. Yes, exactly. Off of any of them, sir. It's 90% off any account that you choose, but we typically go with the $50,000 accounts because they're pretty easy to pass, and we think the drawdown is pretty, like, doable. Christmas. All right. Are we finally going to get this drop here? See how Santa tried to take this short and it got pulled back? All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I feel dizzy. I might need to take something. Or just like stop staring at multiple screens and my phone. Yes, you get it with, so Apex includes everything. You get real-time data, you get the NinjaTrader license, all with that $17, which is amazing. So yes, and the only thing obviously it doesn't include is the algorithm subscription. And then if you want to get VPS, which is the virtual private server, that's $50 a month. But that's really the only other thing. Oh, this one took profit, so now it's green $1,260. It took profit on this short. Again, this is just one mini. $1,260 on the day so far, but I want to see when it was red what time this was. 8:30. It was red the most, $1,000. See, this rate at 9:30. Oh, hiccups. But since then, it's only had 3 losses out of 15 trades. Had 12 wins and 3 losses and 12 wins. This is the longer one. This one is in another short. This one's in another short. But I just don't have it on that account. So you can't see it. That $12.60. Do you think you make enough money to cover another month from using Apex in the 21-day trial? Yeah, I think you can. Most people pass Apex within, the first week. So then you pass it and then you can't withdraw, I think, for like a month. So, but the money would be in your account. You just have to wait a month. All right, cool. Thank you, Clint. Yeah. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to Apex. But if you join the group, we have a big Apex channel. On what? All right. I'm going to get off of here. Oh, no. The channel is in my group. You have to be part of my group to access the channels. But I have a whole Apex channel that answers all the questions. Yep, Jason. I'm excited. Again, the Apex discount is only until Thursday. The code is SAVE90. And you get 90% off any of the accounts on Apex. The one that's $1,260 is about to hit target again. It's going to be $1,500. All right. All right, guys. Have a good day. It's 10:30. I'm going to get off of here. Oh, yeah. So this one hit target now. $1,500. Look at that other green trade. See that here? $1,510. So it's only had 3 losses in the last 17 trades. 14 wins, 3 losses. But since 8 a.m., it's had 13 losses total. So, all right. All right, guys. If you have any more questions, please just email me. I'll respond right away. boldbotllc@gmail.com. All right, have a good day. I'll be on later tonight. Remember, I'm probably going to get on at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. So, hopefully I'll see you guys then. Bye. All right, YouTube. Have a good day. See you guys later.